Welcome to GeorgeWay mathTV.
Okay, so I'm being given this graph and I'm asked to give the domain and then the range. Well, I know domain is my x values and the range is my y values. And to be able to figure that out, I have to know what each point is, the x and y for each point. So for this point, what is my x and y? For this point, I know always when I have a graph, this side is my x and this side is my y, by the way. So for this point, my x is right on the line. So this is 0. So my x is 0 and my y is the 4. For this point, again, I always do the x first. My x is this -1 and my y is that +1 right there. And then for this point, my x is -3 and my y is -3. And then for that point, my x is +1 and my y is -1. So I know that is what I have to do first. And now, like I said, domain is my x values. And when I have two numbers like that, first number is my x, second number is my y. And my answers should be, I'm asked to use set notation. So I'm just going to do this. And what is all my x values? For the first point, my x is 0. This one, x is -1. That one, x is -3. That one, my x is +1. So I just copied my x's, and that is my domain, and it has to be in set notation. For my range, that will be my y values, and again it has to be in set notation. So I'll do this. And what are my y values? The first point, my y is +4. This second one right here, my y is +1. This one, my y is -3, and that one, my y is -1. And I'll do this, and that's it.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.